In this video, we're going to take the tunnel that we made earlier and do another upload to SecondLife, but we're going to fix some of the issues that we had with SecondLife. So, first thing, let's turn on screencast option. Alright, so you can see what I'm doing. Select that one, make a copy of it. Now move the copy to another layer. Okay, so we have it in both layers. And the reason we're doing this is we want to make the other layer, the other object, just as true to this one as possible. Okay, we don't need any of this stuff on the screen. There we go. Right, get into that other one and go to edit. And side view. We need to, okay. So we'll go into what's it called, the wireframe view, and what we want to do is, whoops, we need to go into vertex mode and grab all of the vertexes except at the tail end and delete them all. Okay, so what we have is a couple rings here. Now I'm going to pick this loop and this loop and connect them with the loop tools, bridge, and this loop, oops, on alt, that loop, and that loop, got them, yep, okay, loop tools, bridge, got them, okay, this is what we're going to use now for our physics. So we can go into, yeah, we can go into object mode if we wish, and this, just so you can see it, what we've done is we've created an exact copy of that tunnel, except this one doesn't have the windows cut out. Okay, so we will export it as a collada. Be sure to click selection only just in case, and we're going to call this one tunnel physics and export it. Now we go over to SecondLife and we go back to the upload model. We pick our original tunnel, same exact tunnel we had before. It's called a building component. Now this time we're going to go to, for the physics, we're going to pick from File, Browse, Tunnel Physics, Open, and there's our tunnel physics, our tunnel with the physics applied to it, and you should see the lines go straight across the windows. All right, the rest of this we can all leave as defaults without any changes at all. Calculate, do the upload. There's our cube. Res it. Okay, there's the object. Now we have to make sure we have to go into edit, and I don't think I mentioned this enough, but we have to go into the features and change it from convex hull to prim. Otherwise you'll have trouble walking it into it. And now we can walk into it. Right. I'm not going to mess with it. Oh, let's see. Should I mess with the texture? The text, let's drop the text on top of it. The texture on top of it. Right, there's our texture. Well, this is the new tunnel. Now let's go to the old tunnel. This is the one we did before in my previous video. And we'll show you what the difference was. Okay, here's the previous one. I think I've got the features right. Yes, right, set to prim. Yeah. Okay. Now, look at there. We can walk right through it. Right through it. Let's try that here. Thump. We cannot. So if you turn on the developers option, you can go into render metadata and look at the physics shapes. It's a little hard to see, but you see on the first one we got this gap here. On the second one we don't. Let's turn that off. Physics, come on, shapes. Okay. Alright, so there we've fixed our little tunnel and loaded the correct physics applications to the object. Alright, if you like it, please hit like, and thanks a lot for watching.